Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel What is MrRoy. Exercise 9.4, question number 4. Please attention here because we have negative sign here. You can see we have negative sign, and this negative sign is like we have to be careful because when we have negative sign, the graph, the sketch will be like this. Now, when we have positive sign, the sketch will be V-shaped. So now we always need the vertex here. This is vertex. So how we find vertex? We write the modulus equal to 0. So first part. And one more thing here, I would like to say, don't worry about this 3. Just look at this modulus x only. So our target is only modulus x with negative sign. And we have the shape like this. And we need to find the vertex. And to find the vertex, the modulus should be always 0. And is coming 0. So when you write the coordinates is coming 0. And I just write also here. I'm not talking about 3. Only f of x is equals to minus and like mod. I want to draw the sketch of first this only without 3. So when I substitute here, this will be also 0. So vertex is coming 0, 0. Okay, the minus 2. When I substitute minus 2 here, minus 2 will give first of all the effect like this is positive and outside is already negative. So the coordinates are coming minus 2 and minus 2. This is the first like minimum domain I used, this one. Now I use maximum domain. Like if I use a maximum domain f of 2 in the given, like I'm not using 3. I'm not using 3. Don't worry about it. And just minus and 2 and it's coming like f of 2 is equals to minus 2 and 2 comma 2. Okay, now we have 3 coordinates, vertex and these 2. If I draw the sketch, it's very simple. Like we do not need the graph paper. The sketch means just it will be a blank paper and we need all the coordinates. So 0, 0 is here, minus 2 and 2. So we have the maximum value. This is minus 2. This is plus 2 and we need 0, 0. And one more thing, be careful about this 3. 3 means 3 plus means all the coordinates will move 3 steps up. So it means this y can be 3, this minus 2 can be 1, and this 2 can be 5. So I need the sketch till 5. This is very important one. Now, how we draw the sketch. And one more thing on y-axis, we also need, I just want to write all the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. And this I also need 1, 2, 3, 4, and minus 5. Okay, let's start. What we do, the first point is 0, 0. 0, 0 is here. And then we have minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 2 is here. Then we have 2 and 2, which is here. So this is the sketch of normal, normal without 3. This is a sketch of f of x with minus modulo x. Now, what is written here? Like 3, like plus 3. It means the complete sketch will move 3 steps up. We have minus 2 here. When we move 3 steps up, it will become 1. And this 0, 0 will become like here. And this will become 1. I'm just like moving all the steps up. So this, when I join this, I don't need this now. And this is the sketch of our question part A of 4, and we have done it. Now, this is the sketch of now 3 minus modulus x. Now, just check it out. If I want to find the range, what I need the minimum value and the maximum value of y. Now, what is the minimum and maximum value? The minimum value is 1, and the maximum value is here 3. What I have to do, like 1, 2, 3 is okay. Now, to find here, we have here minus 2. Minus 2 is having here not equal to. And minus 2 is not equal to, but with 2, we have equal to. So it means equal to means I have to use here equal, like for find the inverse, like range. And this part is like domain is we have with zero is also there, so this will be also equals to. This is very important because the domain, like here, when we check this domain, in this domain, the zero is also there. Zero is also there, so zero is equal to here, and so this is also equal to. So two, like this value is we have to write also equal to. Now answer is coming like we have the value from 1 till 3, and that's the range of this question number 4a. Question number 4, part B now. We have the equation f of x is equal to minus with modulus sign, and the domain is from -2 to 4. Okay, negative means we have this shape, and and there is no value outside. We always need to find the vertex first. So the vertex means this modulus should be 0 and x is equals to 2. And when x is 2 here, when this is 0, we have like this is complete is coming 0. So coordinates of the vertex are 2, comma 0. We have the first part. Second, I will substitute the minimum domain -2. When I substitute -2 in the given function, -2, we have minus in the modulus sign, and this minus will remain there, and this will become positive. So final answer is coming -2 with -4. So the coordinates are -2 and -4. Moving to third coordinate, f of with this 4, because we have to find the minimum and max. We have to use minimum and maximum domain. So -4 -2. The effect is coming only 2, and this will remain like f of 4 will become -2. So the coordinates are 4, comma -2. Moving to the sketch now. Very simple. There is no like problem. Just we have this shape here, and there is no movement. Just we have to move 3 steps up or down. There is nothing. So the -2 is here, and 4 is here. Now, domain -2 to 4, and the value of y is coming 0, -4, and -2 means all the values here in bottom in negative axis. So till -4 is enough. Okay. This is y, this is x, and now we have to draw the sketch. The first coordinate is 2, 0. 2, 0 is here. -2, -4. -2 and -4 is coming here. And 4 -2 is coming here. And when we join this, the graph is like this. And we have done it. When you want to find the range of this question, the range means I have to use minimum and the maximum value of the graph. Okay. This value, this is -4, and this value of y is 0. And if you want to find the range of this question, the range means the value of y. This y is -4, and -4 it is -2. -2 is having equal to, like greater than equals to, we have to write this. And 0 is coming in between the domain, so it will be also greater, like less than equals to. And this I will write -4 and 0, and we have done it. Moving to question number 4, part C. I think so we should do 4 part D first, then I will do C part, because C is the quadratic form and I have to explain something. So 4 part D, what's the equation? The equation is f of x is equal to 5 minus 2x minus 3. And the domain is from -1 to 2. Okay. Uh, Once again, I will not use 5. Like I will write, first of all, I will draw the graph of only this part. Then this +5 means, like +5 means I have to move the whole, like all the coordinates 5 steps up. Even I can, in question number like A part, I shift all the coordinates up. Like I move the complete sketch up. But here I will use a different method now. Now, first of all, this 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is to find the vertex. 2x is equal to 3 and x is equals to 1.5. When I substitute like this, when this is 0, this is 0, then this will be also 0. So it means the vertex is coming. And now this 5 means when this part, the complete part is 0 here, and this will become 5. So new vertex is 1.5 comma 5. Now I have to use not this, the complete sketch now, but be careful. We have to use this value to use to find the value of x only. Second thing, I have to substitute the domain in the given question. The domain is -1. The minimum domain is -1, so 5 minus 2 times -1 minus 3. Let me check for C result. -2. So -2 and this is -5. This will become positive. So 5 minus 5 is coming 0. So the coordinates are -1, comma 0, first coordinate with minimum domain. Maximum domain is 2 now. So 5 minus modulus 2 into 2 minus 3. 5 minus, this is coming 4 minus 3, and this is coming 1. 5 minus 1 is coming 4. And the coordinates are 2, comma 4. We have 3 coordinates, and we do not need to shift the complete sketch up. We can get the sketch directly. So now, what we need now, 1.5 domain is from -1, this is -1, and 2 is here, 2, x-axis. Domain we have the exact, and the y is coming here 5, 0, and 4. So maximum we need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is your y-axis. Now, coordinates to substitute now. Put 1.5 comma 5. 1.5 comma 5 will be definitely here. Is this coordinate? -1, 0. -1, 0 is here on x-axis. 2, 4 will be here like here. And I have to join this now to get the complete sketch. And we have done it. This is the graph sketch of this given question. Now, to find the range, I have to draw these two lines. The minimum value and the maximum value is 5. Minimum is 0 on y-axis. So, if you want to find the range of this question, f of x, and now 0 is with -1, and 0 is -1. We have only this sign. So, I will not write equal to. I will write only this sign, because at -1 and 0, like here, we have no equal to, or this 0 is like the 0 is not in between the given domain. No, this is 0 here, and here this value is coming in the given domain, so this will be equal to and 5. So this is the range of this question number 4, part D. Now drawing the graph of 4, part C, the sketch, and this is not easy. Like, I would like to explain in detail the quadratic in modulus now. The function is 2 minus x squared, and the domain is from -2 to 1. First of all, I would like to explain that when you need to draw the sketch of only 2 minus x squared, we have to write like this, first of all, and we have to write in the complete square form, which is here, and I will have, like I have already explained in my chapter 4, and the turning point is coming here because there is no vertex. It's a turning point is 0, 2. And the negative means your sketch will be like this. I just want to show you your sketch of this question, like 0, 2 is here, and the sketch will be like this. This is very simple, the sketch of this part when there is no modulus sign. Okay, and without domain, when there is no domain, the domain is not given. Now here, the domain, we have the domain. So first of all, I would write this in this form, minus x squared and plus 2. And here, the same thing here, the turning, like the x plus 0 whole square and plus 2. So the turning point is coming 0 and 2 first of all, and that we cannot change. So now what I have to do, I have to use this equation and substitute minimum domain -2. Let's see, what's the minimum domain? 2 and minus 2 square, and what's the result? Is coming 2 minus plus 2 is coming 4, and the minus 2 and minus 2 is becoming only 2. So the coordinates are minus 2 and 2. When you write 1, like this domain 1 is coming 2 minus 1 square, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's coming only 1, and the coordinates are 1 comma 1. Please give attention here. I also need to find the roots now, because when you have the quadratic equation, we have to actually what this modulus means. This graph will not move down, like this graph will not move down, like not here. And what we have to do, this what the graph which was like the curve which was moving down, it will move up. This is the shape of this graph actually. So we have to find the roots where we have to turn the curve up. So now roots means we have to write y equal to 0. It means this f of x is equal to 0. So I'm writing. So I'm using a normal equation, minus x squared plus 2 equal to 0, and x squared is equals to 2, and x is equals to under root 2 means 1 point, I think so, 4 something the value. Okay, so it means x is coming 1.4 and y is 0, or it can, like we have the sorry, plus minus, it can be, or negative 1.4 comma 0. Now I have to draw the sketch. So now draw the sketch of this question. So sketch, the domain is from, no, I saw the wrong, no, domain is minus 2 to 1, sorry. So we can use this, we can use this, we can use this, sorry, we cannot use, we can use this. Okay, the domain is minus 2, this is minus 2, and from like here 1. And I'm also writing 2 first of all to explain you, because I have to draw the exact sketch of the quadratic part. And the y maximum is 2, 2, 1. So maximum is like 2 here. Okay, the coordinates for the turning point is coming 0, 2. Then we have, I have to use minus, like minus 1.4. Minus 1.4 will be definitely here, 1.40. And plus 1.40 is something here, but we cannot use it because this is not in our domain. The domain is here. This is our domain. So I don't need to use this part, but just I want to show you. Okay, when I draw the sketch, and the sketch will definitely move like this. This is symmetrical on y-axis. So this is the sketch first, and now the coordinates here minus 2 and 2. And what do you mean by this modulus sign? This modulus means the graph will not move like below x-axis. There is no negative value of y. So this graph will not move down, it will move up. So now the next is minus 2, 2 will be is here, minus 2, 2 is here, and this graph will move like this. And here actually is what? Like I have to move till this, where is 1 and 1? 1 and 1 is coming here. This is 1 and 1. So I don't need this part. This is we don't need. And this is a sketch of this given question. So this is two values. What is the minimum value and maximum value? The minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 2. And to find the range of this question, what we need to use now, decide. When the domain is 0, the 0 is coming here. It's in the given, like in between the given domain. So this will be equal to, and because this is not at minus 2, when it is at minus 2, then we have to use only like not equal to sign. And second, the 2 is here. This is I writing 0. Now 2 is the maximum value, and what sign I have to write here? This 2 is also coming in between the given domain here. So it's also equal to. Now this is the answer of question number 4 part C. So by this way, we have done question number 4. If you think this video is useful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share with your friends. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.